Good morning, dear students. In this video, I give you solutions for the chapter 5, The Summit Within. It is written by HPS Alwalia. In the last class, we completed this right. Here, I give you solutions for the textbook exercises. Okay, let us see. And dear students, no need of writing this in your English classwork. Just you listen and understand. Okay. First, we will discuss the comprehensions. Question number 1. Standing on Everest. The writer was, here you have three options. You have to choose the correct one. The answer is jubilant and sad. Second, the emotion that gripped him was one of, the answer, humility and a sense of smallness. Third one, the summit of the mind refers to, here mark the item that is not relevant. So the answer, a fuller knowledge of oneself. Okay. Next, working with the text. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are three qualities that played a major role in the author's claim? The answer is, the three qualities that played a major role in the author's claim are endurance, persistence, and willpower. Endurance, persistence, and willpower. Okay. Second question. Why is adventure, which is risky, also pleasurable? Answer. Adventure is risky but pleasurable. Though it presents great difficulties, man takes delight in overcoming such hurdles. Everest is the highest, the mightiest, and many attempts have been made to climb it. According to the author, when the summit is climbed, there is the feeling of exhilaration, the joy of having done something, the sense of a battle fought and won. There is a feeling of victory and of happiness. The physical conquest of a mountain is only one part of the achievement. It is followed by a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. The experience is not merely physical, but it is emotional and spiritual also. This is the answer for the second question. Okay. Next, third question. What was it about Mount Everest that the author found irresistible? Answer. Everest drew him towards itself by its beauty, aloofness, might, ruggedness, and the difficulties encountered on the way. That is why he found it irresistible. Okay. Okay, next, question number 4. One does not do it for fame alone. What does one do it for, really? Answer. Conquering summit is a great physical achievement, but more than that, it gives the climber the emotional and spiritual satisfaction. It satisfies man's eternal love for adventure. Once again, I tell you the answer. Conquering summit is a great physical achievement, but more than that, it gives the climber the emotional and spiritual satisfaction. It satisfies man's eternal love for adventure. Okay, now the question number 5. He becomes conscious in a special manner of his own smallness in this large universe. This awareness defines an emotion mentioned in the first paragraph. Which is the emotion? The answer, the emotion is humility. Okay, the answer is, the emotion is humility. Now, sixth question. What were the symbols of reverence left by members of the team on Everest? Answer. The author left on Everest a picture of Guru Nanak. Rawat left a picture of Goddess Durga. Fu Dorji left a relic of the Buddha. Edmund Hillary, being a Christian, buried a cross under the rock. All these were symbols of reverence for God. Okay. Now the last question. What, according to the writer, did his experience as an Everester teach him? I tell you the answer. The experience of having conquered Mount Everest changed him completely. It made him realize his own smallness. Once again, the experience of having conquered Mount Everest changed him completely. It made him realize his own smallness. Okay? Okay. Next question. Write a sentence against each of the following statements. Your sentence should explain the statement. You can pick out sentences from the text and rewrite them. The first one has been done for you. The experience changes you completely. The answer, one who has been to the mountains is never the same again. Okay. Next question. Man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. The answer, the obstacles in climbing mountain are physical. A climb to a summit is a test of endurance and willpower. It is a challenge that is difficult to resist. Okay. Next question. Mountains are nature at its best. Answer. Everest is the highest and the mightiest and has defied many previous attempts. Okay. Fourth question. The going was difficult, but the after effects were satisfying. Answer. When the summit is climbed, there is the joy of having done something. One has the feeling of victory and of happiness. Okay. The last question. The physical conquest of a mountain is really a spiritual experience. Answer. Mountains are a means of communion with God. Okay. Next, working with language. Fill in the blanks in the following dialogues, choosing suitable phrases from those given in the box. Dear students, you can see here some phrases in the box, and also there are some questions that you have to read and find out those correct answers from the box options. Okay, here question number 1. Here you can choose the word at once. So you can read, go to the principal at once and submit your explanation. Second one, no, not at all. Why do you ask? So here you can choose at all, not at all. Next, third one. Almost every Indian film has an episode of love at first sight. So here you can see, you can choose the word phrases at first sight. At first sight. Next, you look depressed. Why are your spirits at such a low ebb today? So the answer, at such a low ebb. Answer, at such a low ebb. Next, your big moment is close at hand. So for fifth question, you can choose the phrase at hand. Answer is at hand. Okay, next, write the noun forms of the following words adding ance or ence to each. So here the first word, enter. So you can make this entrance. The spelling RANCE. Okay. Next, persistence. Persistence, you have to add ENCE. Persist plus ENCE. Next, signify. Significance. Significance. ANCE. Next, confide. There you have to make it confidence. 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 Spelling ENCE. Next, maintain. That you have to make maintenance. 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 Okay. Next, abhor. Abhorrence. Abhorrence. Spelling ABHORRENCE. Abhorrence. Okay. Next, match words under A with their meanings under B. So here answer, remote. Remote, far away from. Means, answer, methods. Dominant, answer, most prominent. Formidable, answer, difficult to overcome. Overwhelmed, be overcome or overpowered. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below with appropriate words from under A. There were dash obstacles on the way, but we reached our destination safely. Answer, you can fill here, formidable. Okay. Next, we have no dash of finding out what happened there. You can fill there the word means. We have no means of finding out what happened there. Next, why he lives in a house dash from any town or village is more than I can tell. Here the word remote you can fill. Next, dash by gratitude. We bowed to the speaker for his valuable advice. The word overwhelmed. O should be capital because that is the beginning. The old castle stands in a dash position above the sleepy town. Here you can choose the word dominant. The old castle stands in a dominant position above the sleepy town. Okay. And here finally you have a homework that you have to write. Write a composition describing a visit to the hills or any place which you found beautiful and inspiring. So dear students, this is your homework that you have to write. Read these hints and information completely. After reading this twice or thrice, then start writing a paragraph or a short essay as per your experience of your visit to any hills, and you can share your feelings and emotions that how did you feel when you visited hills. Okay dear students, thank you.